You know that meal that just hits differently? The kind that fills your home with such an amazing smell and it feels like a warm hug and has everybody coming back for seconds? Well, that's exactly what we're making today, my Spanish rice and beans. It's one of those one-pot meals that's easy, comforting, and packed with flavor. And because no meal is complete without dessert, stick around because I'll be making my cinnamon sugar churros. You're gonna love them. Oh, and if you're new here, I'm Rosa, sharing plant-based meals that are easy, exciting, and full of flavor. All right, let's get started with the Spanish rice and beans. We're making this all in one pot, which means less cleanup. Alright, so funny but kind of stressful story. While filming, I lost some of the footage. So I had to redo this part, and I only had red bell peppers on hand instead of the yellow ones you see in the beginning of the video. But to be honest, with this recipe, you can use any color bell pepper you desire. Churros are a big deal in Mexico. You'll find them everywhere, freshly fried, dipped in thick chocolate, or even stuffed with dulce de leche. But my version is easy, quick, and perfect for when you want a little something sweet and crunchy. We're making a simple dough, piping it into hot oil until crispy on the outside and tender inside. The best part? Rolling them in that cinnamon sugar while they're still warm. Absolutely perfection. And these are so good, you're going to want to make a double batch. Living in Mexico, I've had the best beans and rice hands down. It's a staple here, just like in many Latin American and Caribbean households. My favorite way to enjoy this meal is with my fluffy vegan cornbread. And if you haven't tried it yet, you need to. It's soft, buttery, and perfect for scooping up these beans. Or you can pair it with an avocado salad, roasted veggies, or some crispy plantains for that perfect sweet and salty contrast. All right, friends, that's it for today's delicious double feature. Spanish beans and rice and mini churros. Easy, satisfying, and perfect for a cozy meal. If you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Before you go, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you already haven't, and share this video with friends and family who you know really love plant-based comfort food. And if you want more recipes, my cookbooks are on my website along with many more free plant-based recipes. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.